Hey guys, good morning. So in today's video I will move a few plants around. I didn't have time last year, or I just planted last year in the wrong place, so it is going to be a planting video. Join me. So this flower bed is an entire jungle. I will need to move these miniature roses because they don't have any more space between the taxus. And I also planted back here, some Kniphofias last year. Let's see. Look, these already have buds on them, so there is no way they have space there, so they will be moved to a different flower bed. So these Campanulas are not in the right place, as you can see. They don't have any more space because the Japanese maple got so huge. And I will just move this in this empty space here, and maybe I will move the Kniphofias right behind them. Also have two beautiful Paeonies waiting here.
So I'm going to start with this one.
So I moved these already, and the Kniphophias will be moved tomorrow because I don't really have any more light today. These are so cute, guys, don't you think? Look at these flowers. So cute. And there are lots of buds, so more to come. So these are the Campanulas I planted yesterday, and the Kniphofia. Look at these. Oh my god, these already have buds on them. I'm so excited. This is the first time they are going to bloom in the garden, so fingers crossed. Grow big. So these are the 3 peonies in this flower bed. Second one, and let's see the third one I just planted. So I know these are close to the other plants, but in this flower bed there will be only peonies and roses next year, so it will be fine. So these are the 3 miniature roses. The variety is called Pink Fairy, and these are so cute when they're flowering.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.